Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today it's a little breezy, so I apologize. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to practice something over and over. So it could be a still posture or a moving posture. It could be a drill that sort of lends itself to practicing something over and over. It's nice to do a practice in a circle. If you can complete a circle, you won't ever run out of room, so that's kind of nice. But however you do it, the idea is to practice something much longer than you ordinarily do. Perhaps to the point of muscular exhaustion. I don't think I'd like to do it past the point of sort of, complete abject failure to maintain principles. So it's not, like going for a world record or anything like that, or winning a massive prize. But what I notice is that when we practice something for a long time, many times the idea is that I'm doing more practice, more must mean better, and so therefore I'm better. And you might be better. But what I notice among students quite often is when you ask them to do it 100 times or more times than they ordinarily do, it actually gets worse at some point. Maybe it gets better and then it gets worse. But today's Tàijíquán Tip is to practice something much more than they ordinarily do, not trying to get hurt or win a prize, but try and keep a sense of improvement throughout that practice. And when you lose the improvement, either try and recover it or stop. If you're trying to recover it and you can't, good time to stop. Don't want to practice something a very long time and feel like I did more, but it got worse, right? I got more distracted. I got more daydreamy. I got less present. So work on that. And speaking of presence, making your presence in class is going to be a helpful thing. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán Tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.